Today, I'm going to show you how to deploy a low-code development environment on Oracle Cloud Infrastructure by setting up an AI database and installing Oracle Apex. So let's get started. First, I will click on this option. After clicking, a new window will open. Now, I will click on Continue. Here, we need to set a password for database admin user. Remember, admin is a database user. So make sure you set a strong password and keep it safe. Now I will enter a password. After that, I will click on Start Development. At this stage, all the required resources for the development environment are being created. We need to wait around 2 to 3 minutes while Oracle Cloud prepare everything. Once the setup is complete, I will click on the Launch Apex. Now, on the login page, I will enter the username as admin and use the same password that I set earlier. After login, we are inside the internal workspace. Now I will create a new workspace. I will select or create a new schema. Then I will enter the workspace name. Next, I will set the workspace username and password. Remember, the workspace username is also related the database user, so choose it carefully. Now I will click on create workspace. Once the workspace is created successfully, I will sign out from the internal workspace. Now I will log in again using the nearly created workspace username and password. As you can see, our Oracle Apex workspace is now running successfully. This is how we can set up Oracle Apex with AI database on Oracle Cloud Infrastructure for low-code application development.